Hello, in front of me I've got Madden NFL 25. In this video I will show you the option run concept. In the beginning, let's go to skills trainer and go to run concept. Go to the option. And now, when the dive lead defender takes the quarterback, hand the ball off to the running back.
Here we go. Dot. On one, right?
When the dive lead defender attacks the running back, run the ball with the quarterback past the line of scrimmage by holding A back.
Dot. On one, ready? Dot. Here we go.
When the pitch key defender attacks the quarterback, pitch the ball to the running back by pressing the LB button.
Dot. On one, ready? Dot. Here we go. Dot. Gun. Dot. Dot.
And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe.